Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it.
It's a lot of things to do in this room. Painting is going to start tomorrow. There are some decks around the house. The 2-room apartment, no kitchen, but yeah, I'm going to move all these things. So yeah, this is the second room. This is mine.
It's laying next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and our safe and sound.
The toilet is being messy. Like, I still have some things in this toilet. Like, yeah, I think it's nice.
And we just slow down. For you and our safe and
So guys, update on my room. I've not done anything yet still. The carpenter I gave work later brought the stuff and so it was not what I wanted, but still manageable. So yeah, I'm turning this part of the room. It's like a kitchen space. So yeah, this was what I got from the man. And then it's like this drawer stuff. Guys, I need to actually show you a picture of the Shirak I asked him to do for me, and then what this is. This is actually looking big in camera. It's actually small in real life, but still manageable. And then I told him to help me fix my wardrobe. So yeah, I told him to do extra this there because this was empty before. So I told him to help me like do this and this here. Hey, yeah, my sister's here. So, what next?
Shoes on, get up in the mood, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the ground. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I get my ping pong. This is great, heavy, can't hear the bass, boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, get this beat shade like money. Let's go, all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm down, you know I go. Let's go. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so if we bring down fire, set the night light. Shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'm gonna light it up like the dynamite.
Even I did not come. This is not my curtain, but yeah, I'm going to be getting a curtain tomorrow. I don't know where to start from, but let's just start.
Where wanna come along? wall. Word up, top, just move right beyond the wall. Day or night, sky's the line, so we dance to the break dawn. Ladies and gentlemen, I got the medicine, so you should keep your eyes on the ball. This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass? Boom, I'm ready. Heavy, spinning, honey, yeah, this bitch treat me like money. This go overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go. I'm bad, you know I go. Let's go! It's high in the stars tonight, so if we bring down the fire and set the night light. Hey! Shining through the city with a little fucking soul. So I'm light it up like dynamite.
Good work, gang.
Your daddy, sorry now.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
So yeah, I got cotton.
나를 밝혀주는 건 너란 사랑으로 수놓아진 별 내 우주와 넌 다른 세상을 만들어주는 걸 너는 내 편이잖아 의 우주니까 지금이 싫어도 결국엔 잠시니까 너는 언제까지나 지금처럼 밝게만 빛나줘 우리는 너를 따라 이긴 맘을 서로
It's very very.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow